Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 65, in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time, for the following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Scott; in Oklahoma, Atoka, Bryan, Choctaw, Cole, Hughes, Latimer, Flore, Pittsburgh, and Pushmataha. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.